Okay, this is the walk around for the Chevy truck. This truck is very unique. It has chip guard for the paint. As you can see, you can go all throughout the whole truck. It's very solid. As you can see, it won't scratch. Very hard to dent. Back here, it's got the tow package ready to go. And then there's no scratches in it. Okay, we'll show you the undercarriage now. There's no rust on the undercarriage. It's been undercoated. It's very solid. Okay, let's show you the inside now. The inside, it's very clean. Driver's side seat has wear, a couple tears here. Alright, that's that. What else am I forgetting? Okay, there's also two switches here. We do not know what they do. And let me hop in. This piece here, it does not stay up. Alright, we'll show you some more of the undercarriage from the back. And as you can see, there's no rust in sight. I'll show you the tires. All four tires are matching Dayton Timberland. They are, let's see, 285/75 R16. And the tread on them is very good. It's not new, but it definitely is not old. Show you the others. Okay, well, that was the walk around of the Chevy truck.